How to use PDF element tutorial for beginners step by step. Hi there you guys. In this video, I'll be talking about PDF element right over here and how you can start using it. Basically, PDF element is from Wondershare, and Wondershare has a lot of applications such as Filmora. It's a video editor, and this one, it's called PDF element. So you guys, you'll have to download their application by click on free trial right here, and then you can see that you need to install it. There is a .exe file that you need to run, and then basically it will do the installing on its own. And as you can see, I've already installed mine beforehand, and this is how it will look like. Now, before we start and explore the app, let's talk about the app itself. So what can you do here? You can edit PDF, you can check out PDF forms, annotate PDF, create PDF, and convert PDF. So it says here, spend more time writing, less time formatting. From the start, PDF element places you in the perfect work environment to create beautiful looking documents, customize fonts, personalize text styles, and add graphics and more on new existing documents. So you can add in PDF files and then edit them. So some PDF viewers out there, they won't let you edit the PDF. You can just add in few simple texts, maybe change the colors, but I haven't seen any PDF editor like PDF element right here, where it offers a wide range of editors like adding images, putting in link, watermarking, background, header and footer, and page numbering. So without further ado, let's start and check out what's in store for us right here on the app itself. What you can do is open files directly, or you can compare PDF. You can combine PDF, you can compress PDF, you can OCR the PDF, you can convert the PDF, you can create a PDF from scratch, or you can batch PDF. So now let's try and create a PDF from scratch by clicking this button right here. Oh, not really from scratch, but let's choose what's already in here. Okay, let me check out the downloads. So let me search for a PDF file that I already have here on my computer. Okay, so I have a couple project guidelines. This one, let's try and input this. It's a book. Basically, this one's a book, and what you can do is actually edit them. You can edit them by going to this tab right over here, and then you can see a couple of elements that you can add. You can add in text. Just click this button right here, and then just click wherever on the PDF, and then you can add in text just like that. To add in an image, you can click on add image and then choose from your files right here on the pop-up window. You can also input link or embed link, jump to a page view, open a web page, or open a file. You can also include your watermark, like for example, you want this to have like a copyright or something, and you can add in a watermark by creating a template firstly. So let me see, watermark type, it can be like text, image, or stuff. So let me just input copyright. Now it'll look like this on screen, but you can adjust the opacity by hovering over this. So let me just go ahead and do it like that, and I'm gonna just hit on save, apply, and you can see now the watermark that I've created is already right here on screen on every page. Right? Okay, so the background, you can add the background or you can edit the background. So for this, there's no background in this document, so you can't really edit the background, but you can add in the background. Now, create a template firstly. You can add a color as a background, a PDF, or an image. Let's try color, and let me choose another one. So as you can see, it changes the color real time once you choose a different color. Oh, not really. Let me choose the color blue just so you can see it on screen. The opacity will be like 65. Let me hit save, and the background should be here. Apply. Let's check it out. All right, so the background didn't do much because, I don't think this one really needs a background in the first place. But anyway, header and footer, this one works for when you are working with PDF files that are GIF or maybe like doesn't have a background, so you can put them, or you can add in a background right over here. Or let me just go ahead and change the rotation of the background, and let's see if it changes. Not really, because the background should look like this, but it won't show up here. But let's try and hit on apply. Okay, it really didn't change a thing. But what else can you add in? You can check on header and footer. You can add a header and footer here, edit header and footer, and Bates number, you can add Bates number, you can edit Bates number, you can toggle it, edit or read. For the comment part, this is where you annotate or comment, you know, stuff on the PDF so that when you share it to your colleagues, okay, like for example, this one, I can just click on where I want to comment, but you really cannot click on anywhere. I don't know why that is. Maybe because this is a free trial version of the app. Maybe I need to purchase before I can actually start using it. But supposedly you're supposed to see like a text box here where your comment goes. And we, aside from the comment edit, we also have tool. You can compare files, combine files. This is what we saw on the home page before we actually opened this PDF. And the view toolbar or the view tool, you can change the zoom, but you can just do it by, you know, hovering over your mouse pad. And the form, okay, so if you want to add in a text to a form, you can do so by clicking all over the file. You can also choose to protect the PDF file. You can also get an overview of the pages that is in the file. So you can just go ahead and move around the pages if you want to change the order. Just like that. And you can also choose from an array of templates by clicking that button, and it will redirect you to a pop-up window. You can check out templates from this window called Template Mall. So they have resume, a lot of templates to choose from, daily goals, planner, budget form, and actually a lot more to choose from. So if you're done with your PDF, you can just save it by clicking this one right here. And then if you want to save it, you can buy it now, or you can sign in or continue trial, because there's like a 15-day trial for this one, right? And let's go back to home. So basically that's how you can use Wondershare PDF element. My final thoughts would be it's easy to use, and that compared to other PDF viewers and editors out there, it has a lot more tools, definitely. But of course, it comes with a price. So if you're ready to pay for it, do check out their plans. Of course, it costs $79 and $99 a year. You guys. That's pretty cheap already, if you ask me. The most popular plan here is the PDFElement Pro bundle, which costs $100 a year. So for 12 months, that's around $8. And yep. So let me know what you think down in the comments below about PDFElement right here. But that's it for this video, you guys. I hope to see you again on the next one. Peace out.